dreams, whatever they are, the one that's guided by your heart. Follow Your Dreams is one of my dream roles, and it reminded me of the dreams that I used to have when I was young. It gives me this motivation to work harder and just follow and pursue that dream. I was born in Cebu. Life was very hard back then. My family were giving me their full support to follow those dreams. And here I am with my singing career in full force. We perform a total of 9 songs in the show. High demand of energy to sing with different emotions from one song to the other, and a lot of dancing on an outdoor stage. It's all difficult, but also very, very rewarding. Just seeing the guests watch our show and hear them cheer and just understand what we're doing, that the message got across to them, makes the work worthwhile. This show helped me, and I'm happy that I'm able to do this. My dream is to continue performing, to inspire others, to follow their dreams.